Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve gorgeous bouncy heatless curls using flexi rods. So I'm going to section off my hair so that it can be well organized so that when applying the flexi rods, my hair wouldn't be all over the place and looking crazy. Using a medium-sized section of hair, I'm going to saturate my hair with a little bit of water to add some moisture. Next, I'm going to be following up with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. After applying the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I'm going to be following up with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. These are the flexi rods I'm going to be working with today. Before rolling the flexi rods onto the hair, you want to ensure that your hair is well detangled and there are no knots. Today I'm going to be using the roll and twist method. As you can see, I'm rolling the flexi rod onto my hair and then I'm twisting the flexi rod around my hair. Then I'm going to tuck in each ends to make sure that my hair is secure. Again, as you can see, I'm rolling the flexi rods onto my hair and then twisting the rod around my hair. Next, I'm going to tuck in each ends of the flexi rod so that it can secure my hair. I had a total of 19 flexi rods in my hair. Before taking down the flexi rods, ensure that your hair is dry and it's not wet at all. When taking down the flexi rods, it's really easy. All you got to do is twist the flexi rods to the opposite direction that it was twisted onto the hair. After taking down all the flexi rods, use any oil of your choice and rub it on your hands. Then separate your hair. As you may see, I'm separating my curls. This is to just add body and volume to the look. This is my final look and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.